breakfast.
How is this so controversial? A breakfast? I had no idea that we could talk about an English breakfast and just have such different opinions on it.
So I wrote a column about Premier Inn's invention of a new bean barrier plate, a great new innovation that is designed to keep baked beans far from the rest of your hotel breakfast. So I've come here today with my bean-loving colleague Cathy to test out the prototype, which looks like this. And also to just get stuck into the debate about baked beans, because it obviously really struck a chord with readers, and so we are going to explore that today.
I think you should talk to me about your breakfast. So clearly nothing wants to touch each other, does it?
This can all touch.
You've got all these
That's
round
fine.
things here.
There's a lot of round.
Yeah.
I've got a round black pudding, a round egg, a tomato, gone a bit non-round.
If there's something that doesn't belong in a
mushrooms
hotel
and bacon.
breakfast, in a cooked breakfast, actually, it's a roundel of black pudding, in my opinion.
No.
Everything for me, it all has to be moppable. So you've got the hash brown. I think one reader actually called it a triangular abomination. Thanks for that.
I think they're right.
No, I completely disagree. Completely disagree. I know it's an English breakfast, but I think we can obviously import parts of the American experience.
You've got a multicultural breakfast.
Very much so. Look, I've even got an egg here that's kind of covering up other things. So there's kind of like a
you're
little
hiding
delight of a sausage underneath there. Okay, tell me. So we disagree on the beans, but what about the sauces?
Ketchup.
Ketchup for me. Oh, that's great. Okay.
Okay.
We do agree on something.
But you can have ketchup on your sausage.
I know, but I prefer the beans. I know, honestly.
Let's see, I'm going to have some ketchup.
Absolutely no readers agreed with me either. Nobody stood up for the humble baked bean on an English breakfast. So I think, unfortunately, I am on my own here. But what can I say? We get to try the Premier Inn plate after this.
I know. Wow, look at that.
Oh, that is a thing of beauty, isn't it? Right.
It's working. Look, it's not touching anything. Whereas, look, my beans are breaching the barrier and they're now touching my...
Breaching the sausage breakwater.
pudding.
So amazingly, Premier Inn, I mean, it's just an absolute marketing blinder, isn't it? They've actually put a little Premier Inn icon.
Exactly.
To
It's
keep
the snoozy moon.
Oh, beautiful.
I think it is a masterpiece.
Wow, look at that.
Look, that's quite a steep angle, and it's still containing the beans.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, look at that.
And
It's
do you know
wonderful.
what? What I do like about it is that the beans kind of highlight the logo.
They do. They really do.
Right, it's a marketing whiz. So we're both fans of a breakfast, of a hotel breakfast,
Definitely.
especially.
Yeah.
But it's a controversial subject. You've got to have some peeves, right?
First of all, there has to be a buffet. Some sort of buffet.
Yeah.
There has to be a buffet.
Go and help yourself.
Absolutely. Obviously, I do love an a la carte as well. Buffet and a la carte is perfect. Breakfasts that last a long time as well.
Oh,
You know,
yeah.
sometimes hotels do the kind of, you can only come down between 8 and 8:30. No,
Okay.
I'm sorry, no. We need a long, leisurely breakfast.
So, impressed as I am by the plate, it's done a much better job than this sausage, frankly. But
Yeah.
I can't get over having beans as part of a breakfast. It's just horrifying, I'm afraid.
Okay, well, I'm afraid to say, Liz, that you're going to be absolutely horrified by what I'm about to show you.
No, what have you
So,
got?
when I was a student, I used to eat all-day breakfast in a tin.
Oh, Cathy,
I know.
revolting.
It's vile, isn't it? But actually, it's really quite tasty. So,
What's in it? It's all touching.
beans. Of course, it's all touching. It's in a tin. Right, so we've got baked beans, sausages, mushrooms, mini bacon burgers, and wait for it, pork and egg nuggets.
Oh, pork and egg nuggets.
I'm not
Vital
entirely
part
sure
of every
which bit, the
breakfast.
pork and egg nugget. I think it's this big sort of meatball.
It's astonishing, isn't it?
Thing
They haven't
here.
even made this look appetising.
No,
Even though...
no, hang on, I have to disagree. Respectfully disagree. That looks like one of the best meals I'll ever eat.
What's that?
That's a sausage. That's a sausage. And here we go, we've got some sort of pork and egg bits there. So
I like this as a serving suggestion.
Yeah.
How you would eat it.
I would eat it probably on toast with cheese on top.
Not
So
out of the tin.
no, no, can't be doing that cold. Oh. Go on. Take a little mouthful. Come on. Come on. Bit of Dutch courage.
Oh, God, I don't know where to...
I think you should have the bacon. I think that might be the bacon burger.
Okay, I'll go with the bacon burger. Cold as well. This is like some sort of bush tucker trial or something. Oh, look at that when you cut it open. Look at the texture.
What do you reckon?
Disgusting.
Is it? Okay, well, I think we have settled the debate here.
Yeah, take
Is
it
it
away.
beans on a plate or is it an all-day breakfast in a tin? I think we're just very
It's,
lucky to be at Premier Inn with the bean barrier plate, aren't we?
We are, but take the beans away.
Okay, thank you.